Do you know how you go from 0 to 7x return on the ad spend in just 45 days? And did you know that by combining the awareness, trust and performance marketing in your pay-per-click campaigns, you go from invisible to recognized, from stressed to profitable, from the unknown trusted. Most new brands launch a world-class product only to face a pocket-draining reality. They are invisible. While your competitors are feasting on the market, your budget is burning and your dream is flatlining. Stick with me until the end of this video. I am Amy and I will show you the exact multi-channel blueprint we use to turn a non-existent brand into a market leader. Our client launched these incredible AI-powered smart glasses, hands-free video, real-time translation, and a true product for the future. But when they came to us, they were pouring their heart out into a marketing strategy that was effectively shouting into a void. They were running the search campaigns but getting zero impressions. Why? Because they fell into a classic budget killing trap, bidding exclusively on their brand name. They have realized it too late that if nobody knows you exist, nobody is searching for you. They were invisible, stressed and watching their investment evaporate while competitors dominated the top of the page. So it's a heartbreaking position to be in, having a product that could change lives but no path to reach them. What Softtrix did for them was to apply the Softtrix method and stop bleeding money. We didn't just run the ads, we have built a conversion engine. At phase 1, we have worked to build the awareness and the engine. We have started by setting up a robust tracking foundation. For this, we have used the GA4 and the GTM as the engine sensors. We needed to see every move the customer made. We then launched the display and the video campaign to create the curiosity where it did not exist. So in phase 2, we have built the social bridge. So here we have started running the meta ads. This was not just for traffic, it was for trust. By focusing on social proof and the engagement, we have made the brand feel real to a skeptical audience. And lastly, at phase 3, we have created a shopping powerhouse. Once the ad engine was kick-started, we have hit the gas with the Google shopping campaigns. This is where the intent meets the imagery. By optimizing their feed and landing pages for search intent, we have put the product right in front of the buyers who were ready to click purchase. Finally, our efforts started to pay off. Initial results proved that the shift was transformational. Within a week, we saw over 1,200 clicks and the first 7 sales. But 1.5 months in, there were the magic happened. We have generated around 283 sales with the consistent 7 times ROAS. That means for every dollar spent, they took $7 back. This means that a founder was simply thrown right when he was at the brink of giving up. And this is also the lesson we want to spread across with this case study. If your marketing feels like a black hole, stop bidding on a name no one knows, start building a journey. So at Softtrix, we don't just hunt for the clicks, we engineer growth. And if you are ready to turn your brands from invisible to the indispensable, reach out to us today and let's build your path to a 7x return. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your PPC campaigns and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have anything running, then don't worry about it. You can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting, we will be able to do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.